What's up? Anthony here with GoatGuns, and we are going to be unboxing the officially licensed SIG M17 pistol. Okay, so your M17 is going to come in a package just like this. It will have the official SIG SAUER M17 logo, and on the other side it will have a parts view of the GoatGun itself. Now, we're going to slide the tray out of the box. Now your tray will come stapled so that the parts don't move around in shipping. But once you remove the stapling, you will be able to take the top part of the tray off. Now all models will come with a thanks for your purchase. Do not return to the store you purchased this at. Reach out to support@goatguns.com and we'll take care of you. Also, it will come with the SAUER scratcher. These are collectible. It will come with instruction manual on how to put your model together, step by step. Or you can scan the QR code and it will lead you to this video. You're also going to get the SAUER sticker. In this model, you will also get a SIG SAUER sticker, officially licensed, and the M17 sticker. All right, let's put this thing together. Okay, so once you have everything opened up, what we're going to do is we're going to pull all the parts out of the tray and then go from there. So we're going to pull the spring, the grip module, the mag, the display stand, the slide, toolkit. Just a reminder, all GoatGuns will include the tools that are needed. All right, so at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take the spring. On the spring, there's going to be this rod, and it has a little piece that will catch on the slide itself. Now, the end of the spring that doesn't have the rod, you're going to want to slide it right into that hole there, squeeze it in, and then match it up with that piece from the bottom of the barrel there. Now, to get it onto the grip module, what you're going to want to do is shift your slide lock into that position. And the easiest way to get this on is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to match this little piece right here that's sticking out onto this groove. So then you're going to match it up to the groove, and then you're going to slide on, pull it back and lock it, and then rotate your slide lock, and then you can unlock and you're good to go. All right, now we're going to load our mag with the 3 brass dummy rounds that are included. Just like that. Drop the mag into the bottom of the grip, and you are ready to go. This is the display stand. That has the GoatGuns branding on it. You put the barrel into this piece right here, and then you'll be able to display just like that. Just like that. Now, the tools are actually for if you need to do any repairs or modifications, but you don't need the tools for this one to assemble. Now let's show the functionality. All right, so you can pull the slide back and lock it with this little slide lock. And then you can cock it, and once you do that, it actually loads a round. So then when you pull it back nice and hard, it's gonna eject that round. Just like that. And then it'll do it again. All 3, then it locks on empty. Then you can pull the mag out with this little mag release and load them up and do it again. And there you have it. The GoatGuns, officially licensed SIG SAUER M17, available now.